Welcome to Bright Path Academy, where we teach SAT math, reading, and writing so that everyone has a chance to do well on the SAT. Are you getting stuck on those statistics problems that ask you for the mean, median, or range? Well, this one is for you. Number 19 says, the table shown summarizes the number of employees at each of the 17 restaurants in the town. So you see how we have this table where there's the number of employees, so number of people at the restaurant who work there, and we have number of restaurants that have these numbers. Okay, so we see that there are 2 restaurants that have between 2 to 7 employees. There are 4 restaurants that have 8 to 13 employees, and we have 2 restaurants that have 14 to 19 employees, and etc., etc. Which of the following could be the median number of employees for the restaurants in this town? Now, if you recall from your statistics class, what is the difference between a median and the average? This is something that comes up all the time. What is the difference between median versus average, and are they the same? In this case, no. So a median and average is the same as the mean, but median, so whereas the average, you take the total amount and divide it by the number of numbers, the median is actually just the middle number when you line up all the numbers in order. So how do we figure out what is the middle number in a list of all these numbers? Well, we know that there are 17 restaurants. So if I were to write 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 15, 16, 17, what would be the middle number? Now, when we look at this, it's not immediately obvious. We can count them one by one, but that would take up a lot of time. Another way they can actually solve to find the middle number is you can find like a smaller example. Let's say the sample size was 5 instead of 17. So if you had a list of 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, notice that 3 is the middle number. And if you recall, 3 is actually just 5 divided by 2 and round it up. So 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. You round that up and you get 3. So we're going to use that similar pattern to find the middle number here. So that middle number is actually just 17 divided by 2, rounded up. And 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. So if you round that up, that would be the number 9. So we know that 9 is the middle number. And can you erase the rest of this? So if 9 is the middle number, then we're trying to figure out, well, how many employees does number 9 restaurant have? So we know that the first 2 restaurants have 2 to 7 employees. The next 4 restaurants have 8 to 13 employees. So that's 6 already right here. 6, the next 2 restaurants, so 6 plus 2 is 8. The 7th and 8th restaurant have 14 to 19 employees. And so the 9th restaurant must be one of these 7 restaurants because 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. The 9th restaurant is the first restaurant of one of these 7 restaurants, and the number has to be between 20 and 25. So we're looking for an answer choice that lies between 20 to 25. So if you look at our answer choices, it's definitely not A, not B, not C, and only D is a number between 20 to 25. So D is our correct answer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I also offer one-to-one tutoring. You can also write me questions in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.